Welcome back to Technology in the Future, your go-to destination for the latest innovations, shaping digital imaging and filmmaking. Today, we're diving into what could be one of the most exciting camera announcements of 2025, the Sony FX3 II. This next-generation cinema camera isn't just a minor update to its predecessor. It's a major leap forward that's already creating waves in the creative industry. With impressive leaks, industry whispers, and certification sightings, the FX3 II looks poised to redefine what a compact cinema camera can do. From potential 6K RAW recording to global shutter advancements and possibly even silent cooling, the FX3 II is built for modern creators. Whether you're an independent filmmaker, a YouTuber focused on cinematic visuals, or part of a small production crew, this camera is expected to deliver flexibility, speed, and high-end quality in one sleek package. Redesigned for real-world creators, the original FX3 was celebrated for its compact, yet cinema-grade build. The FX3 II looks to improve on that foundation with smart refinements aimed at professionals who shoot in dynamic environments. Expect ergonomic upgrades such as grippier surfaces for handheld shooting, a more intuitive button layout, full weather sealing for outdoor and travel shoots, and of the most talked about enhancements is a rumored fanless thermal system offering completely silent operation. This could be a game changer for content creators capturing audio-heavy scenes like interviews, documentaries, or real-time events. A quiet camera means fewer distractions, cleaner audio, and better immersion for your audience. Sensor upgrade. A cinematic powerhouse look suggests the FX3 II will house a brand new 2.4 full-frame sensor, doubling the resolution of the first-generation FX3. With this new hardware, we're looking at native 6K recording, allowing filmmakers to push quality and detail to the next level. But it's not just about resolution. The rumored features include 6K RAW for advanced color grading, flexibility, reversible M for K for sharper, cleaner output, improved latitude for both highlights and shadows, better skin tone rendering with Refi. Neg color science. Most impressively, global shutter technology might be on board. That means no more rolling shutter issues. Fast motion will stay clean and distortion-free. This is crucial for action scenes, fast pans, or handheld sequences. It's a tool that'll bring your footage closer to true cinematic storytelling. Speed and light, frame rates, and ISO brilliance. Seth FX3 II is said to push creative limits even further, with 4000 at 1:0 FPS, ideal for stunning slow-motion effects. Unlike some cameras that crop the sensor at high frame rates, this one may offer full-frame readout, preserving your field of view and image quality. Low-light performance is also getting a significant upgrade, thanks to its new sensor tech and larger photodiodes. You can expect cleaner footage at high ISO, accurate colors even under mixed lighting, beautiful highlight roll-offs with smoother gradients, filmmakers working in unpredictable or dim lighting conditions like weddings, events, or documentaries will find this particularly valuable. Smarter autofocus. Powered by eye autofocus systems have come a long way, and the FX3 II is expected to pack some of the most advanced features Sony has ever offered, drawing inspiration from its Alpha and Cinema lines. The new model may feature real-time eye tracking for people, and animals, advanced motion prediction, focus mapping in fast-paced or chaotic environments for solo shooters or teams without a dedicated focus puller. This AI-driven autofocus could mean faster setups, fewer missed shots, and a more fluid filming process. Open gate and multi-platform flexibility. Another potential feature is open gate recording, allowing use of the entire sensor for greater creative freedom. This is a major plus in today's multi-platform content landscape. Shoot once, and then crop for traditional widescreen films, frame vertically for social media, export square for apps like Instagram. This versatility saves time in post and keeps footage future-proof for different formats and audiences. Modern workflow and pro connectivity. FX3 II seems tailored for the demands of fast-moving productions. Leaks point to strong wireless and wired connection options, such as Wi-Fi 6E for lightning-fast file transfer, 5.1 GHz band with low latency for remote shooting, USB-C with power delivery to keep things charged on the go. Most exciting potential feature: internal 12-bit RAW recording. That's right, no external monitor or recorder necessary to capture the highest quality possible. This could significantly lighten your gear load while maintaining top-tier results. Pricing and launch time. While no official announcement has been made yet, reports suggest a release window in mid to late 2025, likely around July. The expected price point between $3,800 to $4,200 USD. That makes it incredibly competitive for a camera offering 6K RAW, global shutter, AI autofocus, and more. This price would put it slightly above the FX3 but with major enhancements that justify the jump. It's positioned to be a great value for professionals looking to upgrade or start fresh with a high-end, compact cinema solution. FX3 versus FX3 II. Should you wait? If you already own the FX3 or are considering it, the decision might come down to your specific use case. The original FX3 still delivers excellent results and remains a great choice. However, if your projects demand 6K resolution, advanced AI tracking, Zillant operation, global shutter for fast motion capture, internal RAW flexibility, then the FX3 II could future-proof your kit for years to come. Final thoughts: redefining the compact cinema space. In conclusion, the Sony FX3 II is shaping up to be one of the most exciting releases in the cinema camera space. With bold upgrades across the board, from image quality and low-light performance to smart autofocus and streamlined workflows, it represents a leap into the future of filmmaking technology. If you're a visual storyteller ready to elevate your craft, this camera might just be the tool you've been waiting for. Let us know in the comments. What feature are you most excited about? 6K RAW, global shutter, or internal 12-bit recording? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned here on Technology in the Future for more updates, deep dives, and exclusive previews of the gear that's changing the world of content creation.